Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send large videos on your iPhone without losing any video quality. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you are on some messenger, it can be messages app, it can be WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, whatever, and right from here you are able to send a video file. You can hit at plus sign, select your camera roll, and then you can select a video and send it, and that would be the worst option because that video has just been compressed a lot, so it loses most of its quality. And now I'll show you the easiest way how you can send a video of any size on your iPhone using built-in iPhone feature. So let's hop out WhatsApp for now and open up Photos app. Then you can open up some video, and right here all you have to do is hit at that share icon. Then you can scroll down until you find copy iCloud link. You can tap at that option. It says preparing iCloud link, so you have to wait for some time until the link is created, and that copies to the clipboard. Now you can get into any messenger, then just double tap at text field and hit on paste. Then you can hit on send, and anyone can tap at that link to move on to kind of web page, and on that page anyone are able to see that video in the full quality and download this video at their devices by hitting at that share icon and then hitting on save to files, just for example. So guys, now you know how to send large videos on your iPhone, and right now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.